This book is perfect for our topic this week, which is all about healthy food and healthy eating. And this is called Leek Hotpot. Pwy ydi hi? Who's she? Dyma Biff. My Biff and coginio. Biff is cooking, isn't she? And look, she's got the chopping board and she's putting all the leeks in this big pot. And where do you think that pot's going to go? It might go on the hob of the cooker, or it might go in the oven. And what do we need to be careful about when we're doing cooking? We've got to stay safe, haven't we? So I'm going to turn the page now, and here's my little button down here to turn the page. And I'm going to point at the words as I'm reading them, and if you can read them too, join in. Biff and Chip had a cookbook. Look at this word here. It's got the long ooh sound. Cookbook. We will cook for Mum. Oh, and they're looking for some recipes. Floppy the dog is looking very interested, isn't it? So the long sound, cook. And this one has also got the long E sound. That's what we're going to be looking out for. They had lots of leeks. We can cook a leek hot pot. No, Floppy, this is not for you. And what's this? An exclamation mark. And can you remember what these are called? These are called speech bubbles, aren't they? Because they're telling us what they're saying. Can you recognise some of the other vegetables? What are these? That's right, carrots, and then onions. Can you peel the leeks? Look at this one. Now this one is a question mark because Biff is asking Chip a question. She's asking him, can you peel the leeks? Look at Floppy. We can cook them with chicken, says Dad. And look, chicken and cheese starts with a ch sound, doesn't it? We need a deep pot. And the book is called Kids Can Cook. And look, Dad's found one with a lid. Dad, put the chicken in the pot. She says, I can see you, Floppy. Exclamation mark again. What's Floppy doing? He's licking his lips, isn't he, because he fancies that food. Biff put in the leeks. Then Dad put the pot on the hob. Now then, what's Daddy wearing to keep his hands safe? He's wearing oven gloves, isn't he? And Biff is telling Floppy, no, Floppy. And they've got a timer to tell them when it's cooked, and it goes beep, beep, beep. And what do you notice about beep? It's got the long E sound again, like leeks, isn't it? Dad took the lid off the hot pot. It looks good. And then Chip is saying, can I feed Floppy? With a question mark. Yes, but not the hot pot. And can you see how I changed my voice because it got an exclamation mark at the end? Mum had been to the shop. Look, we got this for Floppy and it's called Posh Pooch. Look, a leek hot pot for you. And a not pot for Floppy. He couldn't eat a hot pot, could he? Because it'd be far too hot. Now, on this page on Oxford Owl, we've got an activity to do. So I'm going to click on Play Activity 1. And I'm going to put my name in, Mrs. R. Okay, now I'm going to need your help here. It says, listen to the sound, link the rhyming words. Let's see. Oh.
And a not pot.
Mrs. Richards hit the wrong button. Let's try that again, shall we? Mrs. Richards, you big drip. Okay, so we've got leek, deep and feed on this side. Then we've got seed, peak and beep. Now then, I'm going to look really carefully. They've all got the long E sound. Can you see that? They've all got the long E sound. But some of them have got a kicking k. Look. Some of them have got a p, p, p. And then some of them have got d. So, leek, seed. Do they sound the same? No. So I think leek and peak. Now, I have got to put my finger on there. I'm putting my finger on the shift button on my computer, and then I'm clicking on my mouse. Then I've got two left. So I've got seed, deep, feed, beep. I think deep and beep. Then I've only got two left now, haven't I? Feed and seed. Let's check. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. Next one. I think you've got to click off there. There we go. Well done. Hooray! Now then, let's play activity 2. Let's try that one then. So, what's my name? It's still Mrs. R. I'm clicking on there. Oh, read the word. Click on the sound you can hear in the word. Oh, let's have a look. What is this word? Pot. Now, are they letting us? Oh, they're not letting us make the sound. But have a look at it. Can you see it? Pot. Pot. So I think it's this one here. Let's mark it. Yes, and it's got a tick. Let's click on the next one. It looks good. Good. Are they going to let us play this? No, that's not working, is it? So I don't think it's this one, but I don't know about these two now because they're not giving us the sound. So I'm going to click on that one and let's mark it. Yes, that was a bit of luck. Oh, now this one, if this was good in good, this might be Let's try this one, shall we? Yes! And that's the end. So I'd love for you to have a little look on Oxford Owl and see which fantastic books they've got. So, hwyl fawr!